Ross and Rachel was not on a break. They were not on a break. Like, I'm sorry to tell you, they weren't on a break. They weren't on a break. He cheated. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, that's not it, is it? Hey everyone. Let's just not do an intro. Let's not. So today we are going to the library. Yes, for some clarity. I really need to clear up my mind. At first I thought I should go to the park, and it's gloomy outside. But at the same time I'm thinking it's Florida. It might change his mind. However, it just looks extremely gloomy. I'm just like, it's going to pour down. But I still wanted to go out, and then I thought Barnes and Noble, but that's not going to be good for my wallet. I'm not gonna do that. And I thought, where can I go to work and breathe and just whoosah? And it just comes to my mind, Rosalie, the library. So that's where we're going. Yeah, that's where we're going. And I thought I should take you guys with me because it could be fun. You know, it's a nice quiet place. What's not to love, right? Right. I'm back. The library was nice. The library was really cool, really refreshing. I needed it, honestly. However, I looked outside at the window and it was sunny, and I was just like, that's what I wanted. I needed sun today. I wanted, like, I just needed some fresh air. Just like, yeah, I'm gonna go to this park. I'm gonna go for a walk. I need some sun. I need to feel the fresh air, and then I'm gonna finish this book. I think I'm maybe the last one on planet Earth to read this book or any Colleen Hoover books ever. Honestly, I really think I am. However, I'm enjoying this so far. I started this last night, and I am in page 118. Well, yeah, 118. I'm going to chapter 9, and I like it. I actually like it. I was a bit apprehensive to get it. I really was, because on TikTok, a group of people either love this book and a group of people hate this book to the core. And I was just like, what group am I gonna fall into? Like, what group am I going to be into? Because I was just like, whoa. But so far, I really like it. So far, I'm just like, I like this. I might be too early in, because I'm on the chapter 9. I might be too early in because I'm in chapter 9. I'm just like, this is good. I like this. This is refreshing. I'm going to go for a nice little walk and then go back home, make some pizza.
This is as good a day as any to start the rebuilding of life. The roads that lay open are many when the old one's gone under the knife. And I can feel.
I knew it. I knew it. Chapter 20 was a lot. Oh my god. much later. Personally, it's a 5 out of 5 for me. I love it so much. I had to check myself reading the book because halfway into the book, I was making excuses for out. I was really out here like, well, you know. And I had to check myself. I had to check my morals real quick. I was like, girl, this is not okay. Please stop. I was really just making excuses for him. And it took me a second to, I was like, this isn't okay. This is not okay. Please stop. Immediately. But yes, I love it. I really do. I'm excited to start. It starts with us because I read the synopsis and I'm like, based on the synopsis, Riley's back in this one. I thought he was no longer. I thought he would just be co-parenting, but apparently he would be causing trouble in this one also. And I'm just like, why are you here? They're happy ended. But I'm excited to swallow this up. But how many pages? This is 320. I'm hoping that I can actually stay and not open this book later today. I really am hoping, and I can just do another video just reading Colleen Hoover for a week. I think that'll be cool. But 10 out of 10 babes.